Welcome to the weekly Cybersecurity Roundup. This week saw major security incidents impacting large organizations and putting millions of customer records at risk, as well as more class action lawsuits pouring in. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. Dropbox subsidiary Dropbox Sign suffered a serious breach when a threat actor compromised a back-end service account, gaining access to user data. Impacted information included emails, usernames, and passwords. Dropbox is investigating but has already taken steps to contain the issue by resetting all Sign passwords. And now, the legal fallout of data breaches. A $4 million class action settlement was reached over the 2020 Connexin data breach exposing patient records. Connexin will pay identity monitoring costs and improve security practices over the next 4 years. AT&T is also facing even more lawsuits following their disclosure of a massive data breach last year, compromising over 70 million current and former customers. Stolen data included social security numbers and driver's licenses, underscoring the need for robust customer verification practices. The Los Angeles County Health Department also fell victim to a phishing attack, allowing an unknown number of employee account takeovers containing sensitive patient medical details. Ransomware disrupted local government systems, with Coffee County, Georgia falling victim just before elections. Manual workarounds were required while the county dealt with the cyber incident. Moving north of the border, Canadian pharmacy chain London Drugs closed all 80-plus locations countrywide as a precaution after detecting a cyber attack that may have compromised highly sensitive data. And once again, the popular identity management provider Okta has issued an advisory and has warned customers of increased credential stuffing attacks following past breaches. Speaking of breaches, the Kaiser Permanente data breach may have unintentionally exposed data on over 13 million people through third-party trackers. While sensitive medical records weren't taken, the potential scope puts many at identity theft risk. No organization is immune to cyber attacks, and as we have seen, even the largest companies can fall victim. That's why it's so important for all businesses to have robust security protections and disaster recovery plans in place. Our sponsor Stonefly is a leader in this space, providing immutable, air-gapped backup and disaster recovery solutions. Stonefly is offering daily security review viewers a special promotion on their backup and DR appliances. Get a 56 terabytes fully air-gapped and immutable Veeam backup and disaster recovery appliance at half price. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Thanks for watching.